it's Newtsie. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a leg, butt, thigh blast. You don't need any equipment. We're going to do it with our body weight. So let's just get started. We're going to do first a warm-up, then we're going to do leg, butt, thigh blast, and then we're going to cool down just a little bit. This is a great standalone workout or an adjunct to things that you're already doing. So let's just march it out. Here we go. Inhale and exhale. One more. In goes the good air, out goes the bad air. All right, shake it down, shake it down. Hup, 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 hup. Good. Hup, 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 hup. Two more just like that. Hup, hup. Here we go. Take it 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, just 1 and 2, and scoop, and scoop. 1 and 2. Good. One more each side. Back to marching it and shaking it down. Hup, 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 hup. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. One more. Good job. Last one. 2 steps, 2 steps. Good job. You got it. March it out, march it out, march it out. Here we go, shake it down. Up. Shake it down, shake it down, shake it down. Shake it down, shake it down. Last one, you guessed it, 2 steps, just trying to raise that heart rate. We can get right into blasting our legs, our butt, and our thighs. 1 and 2. Good. One more each side. Shake it out. All right, here we go. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. All right, we're going to start with squats. Feet are wider than hip distance apart, toes pointing out. And so when we go down, you're going to push out of the rear end. And when we get to the top, you're going to squeeze the rear end. Let's go to it. Here we go. Take it down and up. Up. Squeeze that hiney. Good. Push out of your rear end and squeeze. 10, 9, 8, looking good. 7, 6, 5, bring that navel in towards the spine. Got 3 more. Got 2 more. Last one. All right, take it down. Now we're gonna go down and up and down and up and down. Put your hand right on your buns and push and push and push. Now we're gonna go down, up, up. Good. And 10 and 9 and 8 and 7 and 6, 5, 4, 3, back to regular squats. Here we go, down, squeeze. Good. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. 1 more, and pulse, and pulse, pulse. Bring it down, down. Push out of your rear end. You should feel those thighs firing up. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Here we go. Down and up, down and up. Blasting those legs. Using the buttocks. Good. Squeeze. Squeeze. And squeeze. squeeze. All right, now we're gonna go to side lunges. Go a little bit wider. Let's toe going forward. We're gonna go down and center. Really squeeze down into it. And squeeze. Good. 5, 4. Keep that tummy in nice and tight. 3, 2, 1. You guessed it, double time. Feel that thigh burning and churning. Burn that fat out for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go to the other side. Down and up. Really push through the rear end. Push and squeeze. And squeeze. Good. Got 5 more just like that. 3 more. 2 more. Last one, you guessed it, double. Push out of the back of the rear end. Put one of your hands right back there. Feel you using your butt cheek. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now let's go side and side. And side, side, side. You got it. Push out of your rear end. Good. 5 and 4. You got it. And 3 and 2 and 1. Hands down. Now go down and up. Down and up. I'll go to the side so you can see. Down, keeping the tummy in nice and tight. 5. You can lift the hands if you feel like it. 3, 2, and 1. You guessed it, we're gonna bump and pulse and pulse. We're gonna count down for 20. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, now we're gonna do a reverse lunge. So put your leg forward, hands on the hip, up on the back toe. You can go all the way down and touch if you want, or just part way. Here we go, down and up, down and up. Whoop, whoop, whoop. 8 more right here. 8, 7, 6, you got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, now pulse and pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Other side. Have that back toe up. Here we go. Take it down. Eight more. 8, and 7, and 6, and 5. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Pulse it up. Pulse. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back to the side to lunge. Lunge. If you want, you can put your arms down. If you want to make it a little more intense, behind your back. You got it. Let's go doubles. Double. Hands down if you like. If you want a little more intensity, hands behind the back. Good. You got it. All right, now down and up. The ones from before, I'll go to the side, down, down and up. All right, one more. And just slowly roll it up one vertebrae at a time. Let's just cool it down just a little bit. Good job. Around, pull it through. Good. Good. All right. Up on that back toe. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Just hold it right here. Now take it back. And on the bent leg, toe down, head down, hold it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Other side. Up. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. All right, take it back. Keep the chin up, belly in nice and tight. Toe down, hand on the bent leg. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Roll it up. Big breath. And exhale. Hope you enjoyed that. I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments or some things that you would like to see me do, please comment below. I would love it if you would like and subscribe. Until next time, be blessed. The mind of a joking fool is a useless tool.